Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 18 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, 1472, Design Browser History. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a great week or had a great week, having a good weekend wherever you are and just enjoying life as much as you can. And happy St. Patrick's Day. I don't know if I'm a day early or a day, well, I mean, not a day early, but I don't know if I'm a day late or depending on when you watch this, I guess. But still, you know, kiss me, I'm Irish, right? I don't know. I was actually in Ireland. I guess half a year ago now. I was gonna say not that long ago, but that was my last trip. So anyway, thanks for bearing with me and the usual Larry rant. But yeah, let's see. What are we doing? Okay, let's actually read it. You have a browser of one tab where you start the homepage and then you visit another one. Get back in the history steps or move forward in the history of steps. Okay. Move forward. Okay. So initialize the object with the home page of the browser. Okay. Visit. Okay. Any other constraints? No. Basically, you're emulating a browser. Whatchamacallit, like a history. Okay. So you create a with home page. Okay. I mean, I guess we can just do self the home page as you go to home page. Maybe that isn't enough. I don't know. I should actually just finish reading first, and then you visit. It clears up all the forward history. Okay, back. That you go back, and then you can go forward and go back and go forward, and then visit. Right. So okay. So let's play around. I mean, this seems like it's gonna be a data structure problem. Maybe obviously to you, but I'm just realizing it. There are a couple of things, right? So let's say you have an array and a pointer, right? Then what does this mean? That means that visit is going to be yeah, I mean, I think the tricky thing is that sorry, I'm jumping. I guess I'm jumping ahead a little bit. But anyway, what I mean is that visit is for an array. It's going to be potentially O of n, in that you let's say you go back the entire time and then you remove everything, right? How long is that going to be? I'm trying to think. I think you can do it in a way. So I think one of my inclination, and that's what I was thinking about, is okay. So there are two major ways that we can go. One is an array, right? It is what it sounds like. You can kind of go through it. I don't think it's that difficult. Maybe it is. And then the other thing is a linked list, right? Linked list gives you the advantage of one thing, which is that you can, in theory, clear forward history in maybe O of 1. I say maybe because it's a little bit awkward. In the nuances of complexity, right? You can say this is O of 1 because immediately you can, let the garbage collector does its job, right? But what does that mean? That means that at some point in the future, the garbage collector will still have to collect the memory. So maybe you don't pay the cost as part of the visit function, but in some like background type situation, you still have to pay for it. Sorry, I'm rubbing my eye. I don't know why. When you use the array, it's still in theory the same cost, except for that there are a couple of ways you can think about it. You can either pop, or you can just do you can just do like a lot of accounting, or what I call bookkeeping, I guess is what I'm trying to think. I think I'd rather do it that way, just because I feel like then we could talk about the complexity in a little bit. So oh man, I don't know why my eye is so itchy. I think it's, I don't know. Today it's like 54 degrees, which is like 10 degrees Celsius, maybe, give or take. I don't know. I can't do the conversion that easily. Like 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. So I think like it's springtime is coming, and I think like allergies is kicking my butt again, and I need to start taking allergy meds. Actually, maybe that's it. I don't know. Maybe not. Sorry, friends. But yeah, I mean, I think both solutions are fine. Just to be clear, I'm just thinking through these are the trade-offs that we're talking about or thinking about. Yeah. I think that's kind of the idea. Okay. what does that mean for the home page? Let's see. You start the home. So let's say you have. Is it always going to be? I don't. So you can go all the way back. Okay. I'm not super clear about what to do about homepage, but that's fine. And then now maybe we have something like self dot history, right? As you go self dot homepage maybe, and then maybe self dot current is equal to 0, and then self dot max forward or something like this is equal to 0. And this is just to keep track of how far we can go forward, right? How far forward is real history, right? That's basically the idea. We can kind of play around with this as well, because I think the classic hash table way of solving it or way of analyzing it is that if you just do repeat doubling of the space, then everything is amortized constant, right? But we don't. Sorry, I keep rubbing my eyes. Okay, I gotta stop. All right, let me. I had to stop. Okay, but of course in Python you can actually let the computer or let the interpreter or let the language handle it for you in either case, right? You could use a pen and in the back end it will probably do automatic memory adjustment for you, right? Versus like you have to do it explicitly yourself or something like that. So anyway, okay. So self.visit, let's just say self.history.append URL, right? Maybe not yet, right? So basically, this makes it more complicated because we don't want to delete browser history. We just kind of, in the sense that, there may be garbage data that we don't care about in the future, but we want to not reallocate space. This makes it a little bit trickier, but we'll have fun with this, I guess. So now let's just do this one first. Self.current is equal to max of 0 self.current minus steps, I think, and then we return the current URL. So then self.history, right? And then forward is self.current is equal to min of self.max forward self.current plus steps, and then return self.history of self.current. I actually messed this up. It should be self.current, right? So we made it so that these two things are easy-ish. I mean, this is pretty easy. But it means that visit is a little bit harder. We have to kind of, think about how to do it. Basically, if self.current is greater than or plus 1 is greater than equal to length of self.history, right? Then self.history.append URL, self.current, and then self.max forward is equal to self.current, right? Otherwise, and maybe we just return so we don't need else. Otherwise, we do self.history of self.current plus 1. Okay, so increment first, and then now the new current is going to be the URL. And then self.max forward is going to be this number now, because now this is the new max forward. I think this is okay. If my mental state machine is okay, this is okay. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully I don't. Oh no. Okay. It may be that I'm also just off on the homepage, because I didn't really. I knew that I have some confusion on the homepage, but then I forget. So okay, let's take a look. Okay, so I get visit. No, visit doesn't have a thing, right? So okay, we go back 9, so we go back to home page. We add this thing, and then we go forward 7. Oh wait, did I have an off by 1 here? Maybe I went off by 1. Nope, not there. But I mean, why is this? Huh? Do I have an off by 1? Because this already sets it to. Okay, so in theory, this goes back 9, so now it is at the first. So current is equal to 0. And then when it visits, it puts it in the 1, right? It adds this thing to the first cell, and then set this to 1. And then when it visits, and then it goes forward 7. I am confused, but let's see. Maybe I have some weird off by 1. Very possible. Okay, so I mean, oh, and then maybe print current. And then maybe sub.max forward. Huh. Okay, let's see again. So we have this. So then looks like these 3 go back. So it only has this one, and then add this one, which is correct. Well, then max forward should just be 1, right? Did I mess this up? Because basically sub.current is 0. It updates the first cell, and then this is 1. Where do I update it again? Very confusing. I don't know why. Huh. Oops. Yeah, might as well. Okay. Did I miss something? Why is this? Oh no. Okay. So basically, max forward is so 0. Did I have a typo? Oh, I do have a typo. Okay. So I don't feel. I mean, I still feel bad, but I don't feel that bad. Like you know, I mean, it's silly, but it's a typo silliness. Oh no, I forgot to take out the print statement. Okay. Let me take out the print statement and do it again. Yeah, I mean, I obviously I still wish I didn't get a wrong answer, but yeah, this is much faster. Actually, I mean it's like half or a third as fast. I mean, yeah, okay. I mean, obviously, I wish I didn't make a silly mistake, but that's like a better silly because I was worried my logic was wrong, and then I'll be like, what the? Why is especially on like it's okay to have typos for me. In terms of putting it on YouTube, but it's gonna be like, oh, let me explain all these magical things about how I'm doing it, and then it doesn't work logically, and I'll be like, yeah, I mean that happens enough time as my longtime viewers will know, but yeah, but this is just keeping track of stuff. So yeah, let's go over the complexity really quickly. Both of these are O of 1. This is also O of 1 for initialization. This is O of 1, and this is O of 1. So everything is O of 1, and that's pretty much it, right? What else is there? Everything is O of 1. I don't know. What did I do last time? No, I did it with the stack as well, but I did do it with the thing where I just removed stuff, but somehow still got the wrong answer twice. So that's a little bit sad. Oh, I think I just misunderstood this one. If I'm yeah, I think I just misunderstood that one then. and then I just, I don't know, have some other issues, as people are known to do, off by one maybe. In any case, yeah, this is all I have. So let me know what you think. Yeah, the contest is, for me anyway, tomorrow morning. I think it's in like 10 hours or something, maybe 11 hours. So if you're doing it, good luck on the bi-weekly and the weekly, whichever one you want to do, or both. That's all I have though. So stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.